allows us to practice that because we can't really just go around forcing doors in this firehouse. So this allows us to be able to practice forcing doors. So we use what we call a set of irons. It consists of a halligan and some sort of a striking tool, whether it be an axe, a sledgehammer. This is called the pig, but usually two tools, a striking tool and a prying tool. So I'll show you kind of how it works. So if this is a door, of course, we'd always want to check it to make sure it wasn't unlocked before we start doing a lot of damage. So we realize that it's locked. Now we have to force the door. So force. Now we're in. So it just helps us keep up on our training on something that's kind of hard to train on because we can't just go busting doors down. So.
Or, man, I might get rid of our couch and put it in the living
What are those things?
They're what we call rescue 42s. They're for stabilizing vehicles, whether there's a vehicle accident, it's on its side or it's on its roof. We're able to stabilize the vehicle to make entry and retrieve the patient. It's we put them at an angle. It's a 42 degree angle. That's why they call them rescue 42s. And then we'll make a purchase point into the car and then have them kicked out at the 42 degree angle, and then we'll use a ratchet strap and ratchet them together, and that's what will make the vehicle stable. EMS is used for hazmat, vehicle accidents like we were just talking about. It also has 300 gallons of water on it as well. If we were to come up to a vehicle accident and the car was on fire or anything like that, we're able to extinguish the fire as well.